Dr. Watson, why are so many people present over here?
Yes, Mr. Holmes. I think some occasions going on here.
You're right. So many people are present with their newspapers. The man over there is reading newspapers. And look over here. A lady is also reading newspapers. And so many students are present. So I suppose today is newspaper day. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
You are genius, Mr. Holmes.
Yes, I know. So, let me introduce myself. I'm the great detective Sherlock Holmes, and this is my friend and well-wisher, Dr. Watson. So, Dr. Watson, what cases are we going to investigate today?
Let me check in the newspaper.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah. Sports events are being conducted in SRR College.
Oh, you mean the Government Degree College, SRR CVR?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
A dangerous psycho is causing problems in Vijayawada.
Psycho, you say? So, we need a psychological plan to catch this psycho.
Yes, genius, Mr. Holmes.
Alright, move on to the next case.
The lecturers of SRR CVR College received awards in various fields.
Again a travel CVR. Looks like this college is potential for excellence. It's coming into the newspaper very frequently. Alright, continue.
Oh yes, here is one. Attached in jewelry shop in Guntur.
Well, I can catch this thief. I can catch this thief in 2 days.
Mr. Holmes, are you alright?
Yes, yes, I'm alright. Things like this happens with detectives. We shouldn't bother about this one.
True.
Alright, next case.
A man was killed with cyanide.
Cyanide. So, I think this case is pretty easy for me since I deal with something very similar recently. You see, Dr. Watson, carbon dioxide potassium mixed with boron gives deadly cyanide.
Oh, you are too intelligent, Mr. Holmes.
And I got this intelligence from reading newspaper daily. Since I read newspaper daily, I was able to become a great detective. And my